Hey guys, how are you? Just wanted to plug in here and do a quick video on actually ranking your YouTubes on Google. And the reason you want to do that is because Google, of course, is the major search engine. You know, when people use the term Google it, well, this is where you can really make use of it. And I'm actually using my automated income system business as an example of how I'm actually going to rank on YouTube. So anyway, right here is my members area. This is, this is where you can, view your contacts. This is where all the contacts come in, and you get, the system essentially notifies you. This right here, this is your pages. These are your capture pages that you can use. And what I did was I did a GoDaddy domain, and I just redirect. You can change these if you'd like to rotate, and you can redirect to a GoDaddy domain. GoDaddy domains are very inexpensive to get, so they're really a great avenue to use. And then here's your resources. Like this, under this tab is your getting started video, and it covers everything. There's a welcome video, upgrading within the system, 101 ways to share the number, and here you have your sample ads. If a person wants to upgrade to the higher levels, or not able to at this point and they want to upgrade, you can actually go to paypalcredit.com and see if you qualify for that. And anyway, this is the category for posting on Craigslist, that type of thing. And then here's your profile. Your profile is very important. You want to complete that. You can actually get paid in 3 different ways. It's Bitcoin wallet, also PayPal, and then if you're in the US, you can actually do direct deposit. So they have the form for that, and that's over here. As you see, they have the direct deposit and then the member agreement. The member agreement has to be completed in order for any payments, to be transacted. And when you actually create this account, you have to create it from a computer or a laptop. So, and then here, of course, is your traffic. You can do text blasting, solo ad rotator, solo ads, void broadcasting, postcards and business cards. And then, of course, underneath this tab, there's 101 ways to share this. And this actually has, I believe it's 6 different levels to this. The beginning level is $39, and then you go to there's a 97, there's a 297, a 597, a 997, a 1497, which is the diamond level, and then there's also a double diamond level, which is $19.97, and you earn a commission on each of those. So I wanted to let me go back here to my getting started, and I'm going to tab down here. I'm going to tab down here to the bottom. Hold on. Going under a different tab. This time I wanted to show you right here the download products. When you purchase a BizOp lead package, this is where your products come in, and as you see, they load everything in, and these are CSV file, and you can use obviously all of these in your marketing. And essentially what the company is doing is they are paying us to market their number. You can do it 2 ways. You can share a you can actually share a number with a 1-minute message, and there's the promo code, or you can also share your website link as well, your domain, whichever you're choosing. Sometimes people do the Google, the tiny URLs, or the Google, the shorteners, but I really recommend that you get a domain. I think it's much more professional, obviously, to do that. So anyway, so let me go on. I want to go on YouTube. Let's say I'm gonna. I want to rank this, for example. So I'm going to go on to YouTube, and this, when I'm done recording, I can actually, broadcast this, to YouTube, and I'm going to pull up, my channel here so that you guys can see, my channel, and I have, the different videos here. Here's my YouTube channel right here, and so anyway, I can actually put, the specifics to this website and everything in the comment section of this channel, of this recording, I should say. So anyway, basically what you do is I'm going to stop the recording on this, and let me see if this is going to work. Actually, I'm not sure if I can show this, because in order to tag the videos, I would, I think, have to complete it. So what I'll do is I will complete it, and then I'll follow this up with another video so that you guys can see, what you can actually do with this, because I realized I do have to finalize this in order to tag it. It won't let me tag while I'm recording it. And so what I was going to do was like let's say, for example, people are, you could tag it with stay-home moms, stay-home dads, work-at-home moms, work-at-home dads, and you can also, what I'm going to try doing is, because we're dealing with Super Bowl right now, and I want to get it ranked up there, they have Super Bowl on the mind, so I might be able to tag it and say, like, Philadelphia Eagles, or I can tag it and say, how many Super Bowl wins, do the Eagles have? How many Super Bowl wins do the Patriots have? What's the top 10, what are the top 10 grossing Super Bowl commercials of all time? And that type of thing. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to tag my video for this to be, ranked up on Google. So anyway, I appreciate you letting me share this, guys, and, stay tuned for the next video. Take care.